ये कार हमारे पास आई थी एक छोटे से प्रॉब्लम के साथ, बट दिस कार कम्स इन विद अ यूनिक चैलेंज।
आर एक्सपीरियंस पीपीएफ इंस्टॉलर्स एंड डीकैल का भी एक बार आप देख लीजिए। सुबह 7 बजे इसका काम खत्म हुआ।
Hi guys, welcome to Kazexo. Today we have got this exciting project where we got this B6 Batman edition in for a full body PPF. ये कार हमारे पास आई थी एक छोटे से प्रॉब्लम के साथ। There were two dents on the vehicles, एक जो यहाँ पे बोनेट पे था, दूसरा जो डेंट था वो थोड़ा मेजर था and that was on the rear left door. So हमें दोनों डोर्स, दोनों पैनल्स को हमें रीपेंट करना पड़ा with the same matte finish.
Even though this vehicle is only 15 days old, but because the client did not get a PPF earlier, we had to repaint the dents and the scratches. There was no other option left because on a matte paint, you can't do a compound, a polish, rubbing, any sorts of machine work. So when we repaint a panel before a PPF application, we have to wait for at least 4 days before the paint actually cures and does not give us any issues in the future. Today we are applying the Exo Stealth PPF on the matte panels and Exo Standard Gloss PPF on all the glossy piano finishes along with interior PPF. Exo Stealth is a 100% TPU 210 micron self-healing PPF which comes with 5 years of warranty, and Exo Standard is a 210 micron high gloss PPF which comes with 5 years of warranty.
But this car comes in with a unique challenge. As you can see, there's a decal over here, so we can't put a matte PPF over this. So we had to cut all the areas, specifically for this decal, we had to cut it edge to edge for a seamless finish, because obviously people are buying this car because of this Batman sturdy look. People think matte finish doesn't need any kind of protection, but that's not true. If there's a single scratch or a minor defect, we cannot solve it through a paint correction because we cannot do a paint correction on a matte finish. So the only protection that you can give to preserve this matte finish is a paint protection film.
This was an extremely challenging and fun project that we had at Kazexo. These are the final results of the car. The car looks absolutely stunning. When the car originally came to us, we thought cutting the decals and playing around with the PPF in an unusual way would be very challenging. But our experienced PPF installers and our experienced team all together came together and showed their expertise for this project, and the decal cutting was a piece of cake for us. If you want us to work on your car, message us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. These are the final results of the car. We hope you enjoy. this is matte PPF on the painted panels. On the glossy panels, it is gloss PPF. So it's a mix. तो जिधर भी अभी गाड़ी लगे, it is protected from all sides. क्या महिंद्रा ने क्या गाड़ी बना दी है? Your total warranty on the product and installation is 5 years. Okay, 210 microns का film है. It's the best quality film you'll get. It's called Exo series. So Exo Stealth PPF है. And decal का भी एक बार आप देख लीजिए. Decal का हमने around cut किया है. So it was a one part cutting. ये सुबह 7 बजे इसका काम खत्म हुआ.
We just went to Bakramali by 6 o'clock. The car was open. We saw,
Yeah.
and it was in. We got the notification, and at 6 o'clock the car is open. I told him that cousin, the काम शुरू हो गया है. 6 बजे the car is open, left door and dicky.
सुबह तक काम चालू था.
क्योंकि हम लोग